Today, we're diving into the GBOLE A1398 speaker replacement for MacBook Pro Retina. This speaker set, compatible with the MacBook Pro 15-inch A1398 series from mid-2012 to 2015, promises a seamless audio experience. The package includes both the right and left speakers, bearing Apple part #9230660 and printed part #609-0319. The real deal lies in the compatibility and quality. These speakers are tailored for MacBook Pro Retina A1398, ensuring a snug fit. The 2 watts maximum output power indicates a potential audio upgrade for your device. The warranty of 6 months adds a layer of confidence, but let's talk performance. The low-frequency speaker type suggests a focus on delivering solid bass. The color, aptly named A1398 speaker, aligns with the MacBook's aesthetic. For those technically inclined, this replacement set could be a DIY game-changer. All pictures provided are true to the item, emphasizing the importance of careful scrutiny before bidding. In conclusion, if you're seeking an audio revamp for your MacBook Pro Retina 2012 to 2015, the GBOLE A1398 speaker replacement might be the solution. Stay tuned for more insights into tech upgrades. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.